This is way out.
Birmingham Airport. All bars, restaurant, cafe, giraffe. Wetherspoons. I like the giraffe.
I just don't get like one. I said, sure, why don't
Almost there. Almost. Only 30 minutes more. Look. They maneuver now. Can't see. Moment. There. That's Turkey.
Teşekkür ederiz.
Dear passengers, as we are descending, make sure that your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seat back upright, close your tray table, open your window blind, and stow your footrest. You may use your electronic devices in flight mode. Devices which do not have flight mode feature must be turned off. All electronic devices must be disconnected from the in-seat power supply and safely stowed. If available, your personal screen and handset must be stowed properly, and read your safety card in your seat pocket carefully. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, ya Allah, terima kasih. Alhamdulillah. If not good, I will not sing. They will not hire them.
Beyefendiler ve sevgili çocuklar, dünyanın buluşma noktası İstanbul Havalimanı'na hoş geldiniz. Yolculuğunuzun rahat ve keyifli geçmiş olduğunu umuyoruz. Emniyetiniz için kemer ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar lütfen yerinizde kalınız. Kemerinizi bağlı tutunuz ve başüstü dolaplarını açmayınız. Tüm elektronik cihazlarınızı kullanabilirsiniz. Uçak park pozisyonuna ulaştığında başüstü dolaplarını açarken dikkatli olunuz. Star Alliance üyesi Türk Hava Yolları ile uçtuğunuz için teşekkür ediyor. Sizlerle yeniden karşılaşmayı diliyoruz.
Welcome to Istanbul Airport, meeting point of the world. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its final parking position. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.
Sayın yolcularımız, uçağımız henüz park yerine ulaşmamıştır. Lütfen kemer ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar yerinizde kalınız. Kemerinizi bağlı bulundurunuz ve
Taxi. Alhamdulillah, landing on time. Istanbul. Alhamdulillah sudah sampai 3 jam 3 jam setengah perjalanan penerbangan dari Birmingham ke Istanbul, Turki. Sudah landing beberapa menit yang lalu, tapi karena airport dan terminalnya besar, jadi cukup lama di dalam pesawat. Ini keadaan terminalnya seperti ini. Istanbul Airport. Mind your step. That's quick. beaches. Oke, di luar begitu pemandangan di luar airportnya, itu menara kontrolnya. Driver.
No, I'm gonna have a wee.
Yeah. Wow, that's green. That's pretty airplane, green. Green. Kayak melon terbang.
Thank you.